Well, guys, welcome back to the channel. First things first, I want to welcome all new subscribers. Thank you. And all my new TikTok followers, thank you for all that support too. And my Instagram followers too, even though I only got less than a few hundred people. But anyway, today a little different from what we're doing. We're actually not going to be working on anything car-wise or anything like that, but we are going to be actually building a shed at the mom's house, because this shed is, let's just say, 25 years old, maybe more. I don't know exactly, but as you can tell, big old cracks in the bottom. I know we gotta clean it out too. It's separating. You can see this big old separation, and underneath the bottom wood, it is rotting out, and which sucks because it's separating sideways like this. It's splitting, as you guys can tell. Look, it's splitting. So, also due to that windstorm that we had, didn't help either. But first things first is I still got some stuff in here. I gotta move out. I'm gonna show you guys, because it's just a big mess, kind of like storage stuff. So we're just gonna kind of go through it, organize it, and then when we get back, when that's done, I'll show you guys what's gonna happen with all this. Cause I mean, look at this. I can touch the roof with my head. That shouldn't be possible. It's sinking. Not good. It's actually falling, splitting, falling. But yeah. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be a fun little project to get torn down. Well, about an hour and a half later, we have the interior of this shed cleaned out. Look at that. Now you can actually see the skeleton of it. There used to be a bunch of stuff on it. Anyway, now we get a closer look at this. Look at this. Rotten floors. Just rotted out all the way through. I mean, you can see where it's splitting. Look at that. You can see where the roof is separating. And look at this too, guys. Look at this. As you can see it moving. But it's not very sturdy. Let's see if we can get a better look at it when moving. That's not very sturdy. All I gotta basically do is just kind of push it over. We gotta move some stuff on the other side. I think what's on the other side of this is what's actually holding it up, which is kind of scary. I'm standing in here. Yeah. Nothing holding us up on this side. Alright, well, it's not ideal down, but it's down to a point. But this is what I'm concerned about. if you guys can see them or not. Wasps. Not flying anywhere, they're just sitting there. I really don't want to kill them, so we're gonna go find some spray real quick. Alright, you guys, look, big ol' freaking mess. Now we've got to clean it up so we can actually get concrete and clean it up. Yippee, that's what the fun part. Well, that's where the shed used to sit. Right there, you guys can see the outline marks. As you can tell, this pad is big, it's 15 by 15. So, yeah, the shed's gonna be big. Not sure how tall yet. I know it's gonna be 8 feet up on the walls, but not sure on the pitch on the roof yet. Haven't figured that one out. That was fun, cleaning up and everything else. We haven't dumped it yet. We gotta go to the dump, but everything is on the truck and the trailer. Getting ready to get strapped down. And we want to take a peek. There it is right there. Every piece of the shed, besides a few of the shingles, it's right there. Yay! I'm so thrilled. Now I gotta unload some stuff like everything in the back of the truck. Yay. Other than that, we're pretty much done for the day. I'll get back to you as soon as I figure out what we're doing for the rest of this mumbo jumbo stuff, because everything was in the sheds out in the yard. I gotta organize it and figure out what we're doing with all that. So, what up, guys? Anyway, I think that was it for today. We had to clean up, get some stuff cleaned up and covered up, because obviously there's no shed now for my stuff. But I had to run and pick up some tools from a family member that let me borrow some concrete hammer drill and a framing nailer, which is awesome. So, other than that, hope you guys liked the video. If you want to subscribe for more, subscribe for more. Leave us a comment, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later on the next day 2 on that project. Hopefully it'll go pretty smooth. Anyway, we'll talk later, guys. Peace.